You're probably looking for a way to make some extra money, but don't want to do anything too time-consuming or complicated. You're in luck. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn $15 over and over again by completing small tasks. These tasks are quick and easy, and they don't require any special training or skills. All you need is a mobile or computer and internet access. So, watch full video to find out how. Check the description box for amazing money-making methods, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Listen, we all want to make more money, but it's not so easy. I've found an amazing new way to make money, and it's almost too good to be true. I'm about to show you how in just a few minutes, you can earn $15 instantly over and over again. It doesn't matter if you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or anything else. OfferNation.com. OfferNation is a site that helps you to make money online by providing access to paid surveys, paid offers, paid trials, and many more similar opportunities. OfferNation has been paying members for working online since 2013. It is one of the fastest-paying survey sites around with a strong reputation. They offer a great selection of ways to make money online, fast payments. Take part in online market research surveys for money, play games to earn extra cash, get paid to watch videos, or download the latest apps. New opportunities are added throughout the day so you can keep coming back and build up a regular income. It is free to register at OfferNation, and there is no cost to access surveys. They accept members worldwide, just register genuine information. And must be over 18 years old. Hundreds of surveys are available each day, simply log in and visit Make Money section. Surveys on a variety of subjects, products, services, brands, healthcare, politics, shopping habits, leisure time, and more. There are no limits to the number of surveys you can do each day as long as you qualify. Survey payments vary for each survey and can range between 50 cents and $15 per survey. Values are shown in advance of each survey. Once you complete a survey, the reward is sent to your OfferNation account. You request payment anytime you have over a $1 balance, with no instant PayPal fees. Also, they offer a $1,000 cash contest, 20 cash prizes available, and a generous referral program. That can help you work from home to make some extra money for whatever you need. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or are just looking to make some extra cash on the side, you will find lots of fun ways to make extra money online at OfferNation. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.